To Vancic Maths, question 21, KCSE Maths 2025. In the grid provided, the coordinates of point P and Q are 3, 3, and 8, 5 respectively. Vector PQ is shown. Express PQ as a column vector. So here you identify the coordinates of P. Terms of column vector, it is 3, x coordinate, then y coordinate is 3, so you have 3, 3. Then the coordinate of Q, terms of column vector, here we have 8, then you have 5. So if you want vector PQ, this one is Q minus P. So you have 8, 5 minus 3, 3. 8, 5 minus 3, 3. You're going to get 5, 5, 2 in terms of column vector. Alternatively, you can just look at the vector. You have the displacement on the x-axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the displacement on the y-axis, 1, 2. Then you have your PQ 5, then you have 2. Then the next part, two vectors A 3, -1 and B -1, 4 are such that KA plus HB is equals to PQ, where K and H are scalars. Determine the values of K and H. So you are given KA plus HB is equal to PQ. We have K, then A in terms of column vector, we have 3, -1 plus H, this other one is -1, 4, goes to PQ. And we know what is our PQ. Our PQ, we know it is 8, it is 5, 2. 5, 2. So if you open up, it will be 3K minus H, which will give you 5. Then this one will be minus K, then plus 4H, which will give you 2. So you just solve these two simultaneous equations. So we can have this one is equation 1, this one equation 2. So for equation 1, make H the subject. Now we shall have 3K minus 5. Then substitute in equation 2. We'll have minus K plus 4 into 3K minus 5 is equal to 2. It will give us minus K plus 12K minus 20 is equals to 2. So this one will give us 11K. Let us see. We have said we make H the subject, so H goes this side, and this one comes this other side, becomes 3K minus 5, and substitute in equation 2. Now we shall have minus K plus 4 times 3K minus 5. Then will give us 12K minus 20. So we shall have positive 11K is equals to minus 20 goes this side, it becomes plus 20. So we have 22. So your K is equals to 2. So if K is equals to 2, then H is equals to 3 times 2 minus 5, which is 1. We get it as 1. So we have the value of k as 2, then the value of h as 1 by solving simultaneously. Then from there they have said on the same grid, point P represents by accurate drawing the sum of vectors Ka and Hb. So Ka, you need to find its vector, and also Hb. Okay, was 2. Then we have A, we have 3, -1. So this one is when you open up, it will be 6, -2, 6, -2. Then for this other one, we have H, we have gotten as 1. Then your B is -1, 4. So this one is -1, 4. So you have 6, -2, then we have -1, 4. So you'll go to your diagram, you identify these coordinates, then you identify these coordinates, you plot and determine the magnitude of Ka. The magnitude of Ka usually have the root of x squared plus y squared, so it will be the square root of, I have 6 squared plus -2 squared units.